If you still pause when using must and have to, this lesson will change the way you speak English. Today, you're not going to memorize grammar rules. You're going to train your ears, your pronunciation, and your speaking rhythm using real English conversations native speakers use every day. So speak out loud and shadow every sentence with me. By the end of this lesson, you will master must versus have to, practice 50+ real-life sentences, sound more fluent and confident, speak more natural English. Welcome back to Sari English. I'm Minu, and this is day 4 of your shadowing challenge. By the end of this lesson, you'll feel more confident, more fluent, and more comfortable speaking English. Before we start, subscribe and join me for daily shadowing practice to sound more natural and confident in English. Now, get your voice ready. Let's begin. Real-life have-to conversations. These are natural conversations native speakers use every day. At work, with friends, at school, and during daily life. Just listen, repeat, and follow the conversation flow. 1. I have to finish this report before tonight. Now you repeat. I have to finish this report before tonight. I have to finish this report before tonight. 2. We have to leave early tomorrow morning. Now you try. We have to leave early tomorrow morning. We have to leave early tomorrow morning. 3. She has to wear a uniform at work. Listen carefully. She has to wear a uniform at work. She has to wear a uniform at work. 4. I have to catch the train in 20 minutes. Let's try that again. I have to catch the train in 20 minutes. I have to catch the train in 20 minutes. 5. We have to submit the application before Monday. Say it naturally. We have to submit the application before Monday. We have to submit the application before Monday. Great job. 6. I have to wake up really early tomorrow. Now you repeat. I have to wake up really early tomorrow. I have to wake up really early tomorrow. 7. They have to follow the safety instructions carefully. Try this one. They have to follow the safety instructions carefully. They have to follow the safety instructions carefully. 8. I have to study for my final exams tonight. One more time. I have to study for my final exams tonight. I have to study for my final exams tonight. 9. We have to be quiet during the meeting. Say it naturally. We have to be quiet during the meeting. We have to be quiet during the meeting. 10. I have to pick up my brother after school. Now you repeat. I have to pick up my brother after school. I have to pick up my brother after school. Excellent job. You've already spoken 10 sentences out loud. Your mouth is starting to relax, and your English is beginning to flow more naturally. Now, let's make it a little more challenging. Just one small step forward. We're going to practice a few grammar rules. All right? Let's continue. Did you notice something? Native speakers use both have to and must when talking about responsibilities, like finishing work on time, rules, like wearing a uniform at school, schedules, like arriving before a meeting starts, strong feelings, like calling your family when you miss them, and everyday situations, like catching a train or studying for an exam. But there's an important difference. We usually use have to for outside rules, like company policies, responsibilities, like paying bills or going to work, or situations we cannot control, like traffic or bad weather. And we usually use must for strong personal feelings, like I must call my mother tonight. Strong advice, like you must see a doctor. Or something we believe is very important, like protecting the environment. Both structures are extremely common in spoken American English. Most native speakers use them every single day without even thinking about it. Now let's understand how native speakers actually use them in real conversations. So listen carefully and repeat after me. 11. I have to follow the company rules at work. Now you repeat. I have to follow the company rules at work. I have to follow the company rules at work. 12. She has to arrive before 8 every morning. Now you try. She has to arrive before 8 every morning. She has to arrive before 8 every morning. 13. We have to leave before traffic starts. Say it naturally. We have to leave before traffic starts. We have to leave before traffic starts. Excellent. Now let's move into must. 14. I must finish this project tonight. Now you repeat. I must finish this project tonight. I must finish this project tonight. 15. You must be careful while driving. Now you try. You must be careful while driving. You must be careful while driving. 16. We must protect the environment. Say it naturally. We must protect the environment. We must protect the environment. Great job. Notice how must sounds stronger and more serious. Did you notice something about external obligation in have to sentences? We can see it in almost every sentence. We usually use have to when something is necessary because of rules, schedules, responsibilities, or situations outside our control. In many cases, it's not really our personal choice. The situation decides it for us, like when I have to follow the company rules at work. For example, a company rule, like wearing a uniform at work. A school schedule, like arriving before class starts. A deadline, like finishing a project by Friday. Or an important responsibility, like taking care of your family. That's why native speakers use have to so often in everyday English. But for must, the obligation is personal. It usually comes from your own feelings, beliefs, or opinions. We usually use must when we strongly feel that something is important or necessary. Native speakers often use must to give strong advice, like you must see a doctor if the pain gets worse. To express strong feelings, like I must call my mother tonight. Or to talk about serious situations, like we must leave the building immediately. In many cases, must comes from our own thoughts or feelings, not from outside rules. Now let's practice more natural examples with must. Everyday must expressions. 17. I must call my mother tonight. Now you repeat. I must call my mother tonight. I must call my mother tonight. 18. We must leave before the storm starts. Now you try. We must leave before the storm starts. We must leave before the storm starts. 19. You must try this restaurant someday. Say it naturally. You must try this restaurant someday. You must try this restaurant someday. 20. Must we finish this today? Listen carefully. Must we finish this today? Must we finish this today? 21. Must we leave the building right now? One more time. Must we leave the building right now? Must we leave the building right now? Wow, you've just completed 20 sentences with me. That's amazing. You're doing an excellent job. So, are you ready to keep going? Let's finish 10 more sentences together for your English shadowing and speaking practice. Everyday have to expressions. 22. I have to go now. Now you repeat. I have to go now. I have to go now. 23. She has to work tonight. Now you try. She has to work tonight. She has to work tonight. 24. We have to leave soon. Say it naturally. We have to leave soon. We have to leave soon. 25. They have to follow the instructions carefully. Listen carefully. They have to follow the instructions carefully. They have to follow the instructions carefully. 26. I have to clean my apartment this weekend. One more time. I have to clean my apartment this weekend. I have to clean my apartment this weekend. Don't have to. No necessity. We use don't have to when something is not necessary, like wearing a suit at a casual office. Optional, like coming early to the meeting. Or not required, like bringing food to the party. It means you can do it if you want, but you don't need to do it. 27. You don't have to come early. Now you repeat. You don't have to come early. You don't have to come early. 28. We don't have to hurry. Now you try. We don't have to hurry. We don't have to hurry. 29. She doesn't have to work today. Say it naturally. She doesn't have to work today. She doesn't have to work today. 30. I don't have to wear a suit at my office. Listen carefully. I don't have to wear a suit at my office. I don't have to wear a suit at my office. 31. They don't have to pay today. One more time. They don't have to pay today. They don't have to pay today. Great job! We've just finished 30 sentences together in your English shadowing speaking practice. Did you enjoy today's challenge? I really hope you did. Wonderful. Let's keep moving forward. Keep going. You're doing great. Mustn't. Prohibition. We use mustn't when something is not allowed, like smoking inside a hospital. Prohibited, like using your phone during an exam. Or forbidden, like entering a private area. It means you cannot do it. 32. You mustn't smoke here. Now you repeat. You mustn't smoke here. You mustn't smoke here. 33. Students mustn't cheat on exams. Now you try. Students mustn't cheat on exams. Students mustn't cheat on exams. 34. You mustn't touch that wire. Say it naturally. You mustn't touch that wire. You mustn't touch that wire. 35. We mustn't be late for the meeting. Listen carefully. We mustn't be late for the meeting. We mustn't be late for the meeting. 36. You mustn't park here. One more time. You mustn't park here. You mustn't park here. 37. I had to leave early yesterday. Now you repeat. I had to leave early yesterday. I had to leave early yesterday. 38. She had to cancel the meeting. Now you try. She had to cancel the meeting. She had to cancel the meeting. 39. We will have to leave earlier tomorrow. Say it naturally. We will have to leave earlier tomorrow. We will have to leave earlier tomorrow. Notice, we use had to talk about something necessary in the past, and will have to talk about something necessary in the future. Must for strong certainty. Native speakers also use must when they feel very sure that something is true, like, she must be tired. He must be busy. Or, they must know the truth. 40. She must be tired. Now you repeat. She must be tired. She must be tired. 41. He must be rich. Now you try. He must be rich. He must be rich. 42. They must know the truth. Say it naturally. They must know the truth. They must know the truth. Wow, you've just completed 42 sentences with me. That's amazing. Honestly, take a moment to smile and feel proud of yourself. You truly deserve it. You're staying consistent, making the effort, and that's exactly how real progress is made. You're doing an excellent job. Let's keep that energy flowing. If you need to, take a quick sip of water, relax, and stretch a little. And whenever you're ready, let's jump into the next 10 sentences together. Now let's finish with real-life question forms native speakers use every day. 43. Do you have to stay late tonight? Yeah, I have to finish some paperwork. Now you repeat. Do you have to stay late tonight? Yeah, I have to finish some paperwork. Do you have to stay late tonight? Yeah, I have to finish some paperwork. 44. Do you have to bring your laptop tomorrow? No, I don't have to. Now you try. Do you have to bring your laptop tomorrow? No, I don't have to. Do you have to bring your laptop tomorrow? No, I don't have to. 45. Do you have to cook tonight? Yeah, I have to make dinner for my family. Say it naturally. Do you have to cook tonight? Yeah, I have to make dinner for my family. Do you have to cook tonight? Yeah, I have to make dinner for my family. 46. Do we have to leave now? No, we don't have to. We still have time. Listen carefully. Do we have to leave now? No, we don't have to. We still have time. Do we have to leave now? No, we don't have to. We still have time. 47. Do you have to study tonight? Yeah, I have to prepare for my exam. One more time. Do you have to study tonight? Yeah, I have to prepare for my exam. Do you have to study tonight? Yeah, I have to prepare for my exam. 48. Do they have to come today? No, they don't have to come today. Now you repeat. Do they have to come today? No, they don't have to come today. Do they have to come today? No, they don't have to come today. 49. Do you have to drive to work every day? Yeah, I have to. The office is far away. Now you try. Do you have to drive to work every day? Yeah, I have to. The office is far away. Do you have to drive to work every day? Yeah, I have to. The office is far away. 50. Do we have to bring anything? No, we don't have to bring anything. Say it naturally. Do we have to bring anything? No, we don't have to bring anything. Do we have to bring anything? No, we don't have to bring anything. 51. Do you have to finish this today? Yeah, I have to send it before tonight. Listen carefully. Do you have to finish this today? Yeah, I have to send it before tonight. Do you have to finish this today? Yeah, I have to send it before tonight. 52. Do I have to pay now? No, you don't have to pay today. One more time. Do I have to pay now? No, you don't have to pay today. Do I have to pay now? No, you don't have to pay today. Excellent work today. Today you practiced must, have to, mustn't, don't have to, past and future obligation, question forms, and real-life spoken English. But more importantly, you trained your ears, your pronunciation, and your speaking rhythm to sound more natural and more confident in English. And that is real progress. Remember, fluency does not come from memorizing grammar rules. Fluency comes from listening, repeating, shadowing, and speaking English again and again. So don't worry about perfection. Just keep speaking. Even if you make mistakes, you are still improving every single day. The more you shadow, the more automatic English will start to feel. So keep going, keep practicing, and keep speaking English out loud every day. And if this lesson helped you, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment below using must or have to. I'd love to read your sentences. Thank you for shadowing with me today. I'll see you in the next lesson.